Hello and Assalamu alaikum students. I'm your social studies teacher, Miss Rakhshanda Zehra. Students, as you know that we have finished our chapter weather and climate, and today we are going to start with new geography chapter, that is agriculture and livestock. So let's study agriculture. Agriculture describes the practice of growing crops or raising animals. Yes, when we talk about agriculture, so it includes the cultivation of plants also and rearing or upbringing or raising of animals also. Someone who works as a farmer in the agriculture industry is in the agriculture industry. The Latin root of agriculture is agri means field and cultura means cultivation. Cultivating a piece of land or planting and growing food plants on it is largely what agriculture means. See here, you can see the picture of the fields also, and there's a farmer who is working on his field. Okay, there's a video link that is given for you, and you may watch this video after this recorded session for your better understanding. Okay, what is the history of agriculture? For most of history, humans have been hunter gatherers. Yes, they were hunter gatherers, and humans began cultivating plants, domesticating such crops as wheat, barley, peas, and flax and livestock. Settlements and towns originated because of agriculture. Yes, when they had to grow something, so they had to wait, they had to take care, they had to give water to that area, to that field, to their plants. So because for that they had to stay in that area. So that is how the settlements started, and how people started living in an area for a longer period of time. Okay, now the second term is livestock. What is livestock? Livestock is commonly defined as domesticated animals raised in an agricultural setting to produce labor and commodities such as meat. Yes, when we raise animals, okay. So what do we get from the animals? We get meat, egg, okay. You can see that the meat of the cow, okay, or you would say mutton from the sheep, from the goats. We get mutton, and then from chicken, okay. Then we talk about the fish also. So we also get eggs, milk, fur. Yes, we get the fur, we get wool, we get leather from animals. So these are the things that we all get from the animals. And also we use those animals as our labor for their work. Yes, they are many of the animals work for their owners, and they transfer things from one place to another, and they carry loads. Okay, here are the examples of the farm animals or the livestock that are reared on the farm. Okay, what is the need of agriculture? Why agriculture is needed, or why do we need to do agriculture? Agriculture provides a lot to us, yes, and it is an important thing for us. What does it provide? Number one, it is the basic source of our food. Yes, the food that we are eating, okay. Whatever we are eating at our homes or that is present, and variety of foods we get through agriculture. Then feed grains are also we get, these we get from agriculture. Fiber for domestic consumption. Horticulture plants offer variety to human diets and enhance the living environment. Now see one by one the food. This is the variety of the food in this diagram that you can see, and we people use in our daily life. Okay, and these all items I'm saying, there are many items, there are many items shown in this picture, but all these items are basically, you would say, we get from agriculture. Then see the feed grains, different types of feed grains. They are also obtained from the agriculture. See, fiber for domestic consumption. Horticultural plants. Okay, student, as you know that the horticulture is the art or the practice of garden cultivation and management. Okay, for different purposes we do it. So this is also, you can say, that we get from agriculture, and also agriculture enhances our living environment. Okay, when we have more plants, more trees, so definitely our environment is going to enhance. Okay, it's trivia time. The earliest sorry, what was the history? What is the history of agriculture? The earliest crops were grown in Mesopotamia around 5500 BC, when nomadic tribes began to farm. Yes, and fruit farming began sometime between 6000 and 3000 BC, and figs were one of the first cultivated fruit crops. Wheat is the most widely grown crop in the world. Okay, students, here is the task for you, and you are going to do in your copy. Number one is define agriculture, discuss the impacts of agriculture on human life. Livestock are the part of agriculture. Explain the term livestock and list down the names of livestock. Okay, that's it, student, for today. Inshallah, we will meet soon with the next topic. So, till then, Allah Hafiz.